Citizens of the world, you are living in an equation that does not play out. Exhibit A, 6.5 billion people on Earth and growing. Exhibit B, dwindling, non-sustainable natural resources. Pardon us for being blunt, but if we don't do something quick, we're screwed. Right now, there's a modern-day gold rush to find viable, sustainable, affordable, alternative energy sources. Well, we've found one, a magic bullet. We've created a way to make the most out of the energy we have right now. A revolutionary way to lower energy costs and reduce waste. A bullseye right in the crosshairs of innovation and environmentalism. PureTemp. This is an idea whose time has come. PureTemp is a completely sustainable and renewable phase change material that has nearly endless applications over a wide range of industries. It works by using compounds that melt and solidify at precise temperatures and are capable of storing or releasing large amounts of energy. Phase change works like this. Take Mr. Neanderthal man here encapsulated in this block of ice. Currently, his block of ice measures 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's drop him in Central Park on a 65-degree spring day. You'll notice the ice encapsulating him doesn't melt right away, but the temperature is rising quickly to 32 degrees. Not until 32 degrees Fahrenheit does the phase change begin, the moment the ice begins to melt. At this point, it takes significantly more energy to convert ice into water. All the while, the caveman's thermostat stays a constant 32 degrees over this latent energy period when the ice is absorbing heat from the pleasant spring day. Once all the ice around the caveman is melted, again, the ice water's temperature rises very fast, with very little energy to reach the ambient temperature. Likewise, the reverse is true. If we put the caveman back in Antarctica, he goes from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees relatively quickly. And then again, he hovers at the 32 degree mark for a good long time while the water is giving off energy into his chilly surroundings until he freezes solid. And once again, there's a rapid drop from 32 degrees to 0. Why does this happen? If you don't wear a pocket protector, you don't want to know. Told ya. Simply stated, we've developed a technology that exploits the latent heat of fusion at any temperature. Put another way, there's a window of opportunity here to use this law of nature to keep temperatures constant for an extended period of time. Think of PureTemp as a turbo boost for whatever energy you're using. Now imagine having the power to put the solidifying or melting temperature anywhere you want between negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And imagine being able to hold this customized, dialed-in temperature for great lengths of time. PureTemp can come in many forms, depending on the application. For example, it can be micro and macro encapsulated, contained in panels, and even shaped into pellets. Everything in the world exists in an environment, and for every environment, there's a PureTemp solution. Thermal energy can be stored and used later for cooling and heating, energy that otherwise would have been wasted. PureTemp, embedded in the walls and ceiling, can help buildings stay at 72 degrees for long periods no matter what the ambient temperature may be. Medications can remain at their precise recommended temperature for days at a time. Climbers can keep their toes warm and toasty on the summit of Mount Everest. Riders in the Tour de France can prevent their bodies from overheating with micro-encapsulated PureTemp in their gear. Macro-encapsulated emergency blankets can help warm up patients with hypothermia. Beer trucks can keep beer frosty cold for a fraction of the cost. That's a personal favorite. Possibilities are limitless. Even a snowball has a decent chance in hell. Now imagine this natural thermostat can reduce heating and cooling bills by up to 35% with an investment payback of 4 short years, saving money and the environment. PureTemp is completely natural, made from fats and oils, no toxins, and completely biodegradable. In fact, it's the only 100% renewable phase change material in the world. PureTemp. This could be pretty cool. Or warm, depending on where you set your phase change temperature. PureTemp. What will you do with it? Energy solutions start at puretempPCM.com.